So today I'm going to be installing an Afterburnerraptor exhaust system onto my Subaru Impreza WRX Blob-eye 2005. These fit the STI models as well. This one's just a WRX 2 litre. At the moment it's got a Miltech exhaust system, but for some reason it's got a 3-inch downpipe with a 2.75-inch middle pipe and backbox. It did originally have a japspeed exhaust on this, and it is a japspeed downpipe that it has on it at the moment. So I imagine they just took the japspeed middle box and backbox out and never changed the downpipe for some reason. So I'm going to be taking off the middle box and back box of the Miltech exhaust system. I'm going to be installing the middle pipe and back box of the Afterburnerraptor exhaust system. This is a 3-inch pipe for the Afterburner, and it's going to be going onto a 3-inch japspeed downpipe. So hopefully this will all sound good. In the last video I restored the downpipe, but I forgot that there was no point in doing it because this one is the same size, so I'm not going to take the downpipe off. At first I thought I needed to, but I don't, so I'm not going to mess around with that. The Miltech one is nice, but for me, I want it a little bit louder. I think the Miltech is like the perfect setting for people if you don't want too loud or too quiet, but for me I want it a little bit louder, so that's what I'm going for. Another thing you want to take into mind, this isn't my daily driver, it's just like a fun toy, if that makes sense. So for me, it's just something to have fun in. So if you're looking for like a medium, not too loud exhaust, but not too quiet, I'd definitely go for the Miltech because it's done me really nicely. So here's a before and after of the Miltech, and then obviously you have the Afterburner at the end. Let's go and install the exhaust onto this car. I'm going to take it off, and then I'll be with you once we install the new one. This is a Miltech one, so you'll hear the sound difference between them both, but I'm going to do a quick start up with the downpipe on before we put the new back box on. Right, so the exhaust is now done. Now I'm going to take it to a private place where none of my neighbours can moan at me or do me for this really loud exhaust, and somewhere well away from the police, because this thing is probably going to get me nicked. So I don't know how long I'm going to be able to keep this exhaust on for. It is loud, like really loud compared to the Miltech one, and that was loud enough. I'm going to give it some revs. I'm going to do the rev thing under the bonnet where it lets off a damp valve so you can hear the damp valve as well. Gonna do a driving shot. I'm gonna have it in the car as well, like a POV. Let me know what you think to the sound difference down below. I'm gonna do a Miltech first, and then I'm gonna do the Afterburner after, for like a before and after. Put some text down below which says Miltech and which one's Afterburner, so you know which one is which. Let's go and test this new exhaust out. I can't wait, and I think you guys are gonna love it. It is so much louder.